ALTRIX Temporary Roof System, Roof Installation by Rollout. It is imperative that each ALTRIX roof and the supporting structure is designed and certified by a qualified temporary works engineer who is fully versed in this form of design. It may be necessary to remove guardrails to assist in the erection of the ALTRIX roof. If this is the case, suitable fall arrest equipment must be employed and current SG4 guidelines adhered to. Ensure scaffold is adequately prepared prior to installation. Secure TRAX runway beam to supporting scaffold using boltless girder clamps. Align and install appropriate number of caster assemblies to TRAX runway beam. Connect ridge tracks and spigots to ridge beam using appropriate quick release pins. Form the first truss section by connecting ALTRIX beams and a ridge beam using 6-number quick-release pins per joint. Affix truss section to beam bearer caster assembly using the integrated half couplers. Produce a second ALTRIX truss section and secure onto the beam bearer caster assemblies, while brace frames or horizontal braces are fixed between the two truss sections at the ridge and both eaves. Commence installation of bracing elements to the first bay, working from the eaves towards the ridge. Install ALTRIX sheet tracking to both truss sections. Secure using alloy tracking spigots and track compressors. Fit roller braces to the first bay at the ridge and both eaves. If required, temporarily remove guardrails to commence rollout. Produce a third ALTRIX truss section and secure onto the beam bearer caster assemblies, while horizontal braces are fixed between the two truss sections at the ridge and both eaves. Commence installation of bracing elements to the second bay, working from the eaves towards the ridge. Fit roller brace to the second bay at the ridge only. If required, temporarily remove guardrails to continue rollout. Continue the erection process with the third bay, remembering to install all remaining roller braces. Repeat installation process for all subsequent bays, ensuring the correct bracing pattern and frequency is adhered to. To provide a tensioning point for exact length sheets, install a continuous length of scaffold tube connecting all trusses. Secure casters in their final position by tightening the integrated bolt fitting to the underside of the TRAX runway beam's top flange. Now link all casters with a continuous length of scaffold tube, or alternatively, system ledgers. Fix end plate to TRAX runway beam using the appropriate nut and bolt sets. From a safe working platform, align the first sheet with ALTRIX sheet tracking. Utilize the sheet pulling component and ropes to evenly install. Repeat process for each subsequent bay. Tension each sheet to the desired termination point using 4-number heavy-duty ratchet straps per end. The rollout method can also be implemented using the TRAX tube holder with a universal caster top plate, utilizing tube and fittings.